Sets cardinality. There are many times when we are interested in the number of items in a particular set or subset. This is very much the case in terms of survey data. And the next few problems in the couple of pages past this, we're going to be talking about survey data. So formally, the number of elements in a set is called the cardinality of the set. And the notation for that is you have an n that's saying the number of elements in, and then whatever set we're talking about, we would put in parentheses. So if you're asked what's the cardinality of the set, they're asking how many elements are in the set. And again, if you see this notation right here, same thing, how many elements are in that set. So example 15a, what's the cardinality of set A? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Easy enough. All right, now they're asking for us to find the cardinality of A union B. Well, let's go ahead and list what that would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our set A. So element 2 is already listed, so is 4. So is 5, and we have one more element for the union. So the cardinality of A union B, it has 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. The cardinality of the intersection of B and A, well, let's take a look at what they have in common. Looks like they have the element 2 and the element 4. And I believe that's all that they have in common. So the set of elements in B intersect A are just 2 and 4. So therefore the cardinality of B intersect A is 2. Example 16. What is the cardinality of set D, the set of days in a leap year? So there's normally 365 days in a year, but in a leap year there's an extra day, 366. Find the cardinality of E equals the set of all even numbers from 0 to 20 inclusive. Well, I'm going to list those real quickly because it won't take that long, but then we'll look at a formula for that. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So you notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 elements. Okay, so what we could do is we could take this 20 minus 0 and divide that by 2 because we're doing even numbers, so that's every other number. And we're going to need to include the numbers on the end, so we're going to have to put plus 1. And I think you see that we have 10 plus 1 gives us 11. So that's a generality for us there that will allow us to do this computation with really anything. But remember, if it was even numbers, we were going to divide by 2. You would do that with odd numbers. Divide by 2. But if it's, just numbers in succession, you would not divide by 2. All right, C is the set of all consonants in the English alphabet. Set A that's how it's defined. So there are 26 letters, and there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So cardinality of set A would be 21.